portakal kavga ne
که در دیگر نظیر نداره و این هم نشانه امروزی مردم است که مردم از پول شخصی خود هم زمین دارن و هم تعمیر ساختن
Okay. Last week I felt a world away from Afghanistan. Today I feel that we are the same world. We're not a world apart, we are the same world. We have different customs and traditions, but we are the same heart. And every time I typed Herat into my computer, it converted to heart.
میگه هفته پیش اتومات هارت می آید. هارت به معنای قلب. یعنی من به جای آمدم که مردم با قلب هستیم واقعا.
And we need to do more, and we will do more. We will be back. We're giving this school to you. I can hear the children's voices in the back. Take that great heart, beat life into this school, and give new opportunities for the voices we hear in the background. God bless you and keep you safe.
Thank you for having me here today.
تشکر از دعوت کردن اینجا.
I've waited for this opportunity for 2 years.
ما برای از این محفل 2 سال صبر کردم.
I am guided by a belief and a vision.
من عقیده دارم به این کارهای نیکی و خیر.
That in a world with 6.5 billion people, we are but one family together.
به این دنیایی که 6.5 میلیون نفر هست، ما مثل یک فامیل هستیم.
To help my neighbor who lives across the street in the United States, or to come to Herat and help open a school, it is all the same to me.
مگه
And one more thing. God bless America. You named John. Never forget that.
God bless Afghanistan.
Yeah. That too.
We love you. بعد از اون دل صاف از ببینیم که خوار از این مامی بلدنگان که روی خوار مشاد شد و میگه که اگر امو تعمیرات زده نمیشد من هیچی نمیبودم. میگه خدا البته بخواسته که امو کار اتفاق بفته که من بیایم که باز به حساب من بیایم من یک جای مکتب درست کنم
کار خیری انجام.
کار خیری میگه یه هر از طرف خداه.
جناب حضرت شما بگیم به اینا بگین که ملت افغانستان در برابر تروریسم بین المللی مبارزه کرده. از اینکه شما همکاری کردیم از شما تشکر میکنم.
He's saying that Afghanistan has actually helped, is a big fighter of terrorism worldwide, and that you have helped, you have came and helped them. We really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart.
He is the governor of this district. He is the governor of this district.
خیلی ببخشیم که من
معرفی کردم برای
وقتی که بیانیر ندادم مگر از شما تشکر
When we had those little meetings at headquarters.
Well, no, you did. Yeah, you did.
Amazing. Oh yeah, I dream that. I dream
We can do it.
that.
We can do it. Yeah.
سلام. خوبه.
سلام علیکم. أنا خير. ما تقول وبشارة ما تسمع تدري ما تسمع شوي باش كيدوي سبي شيء.
Johnny, show them.
ما هو فلوي ناين دقيقة.
What's not to like?
Yeah.
برای پشهاوا خیلی هست که بهتره یاد بگیرم.
با خدا من نتیجه قصد دارم بیاید قصد دارم من میترسم قصد دارم میترسم
You're Every 3 people share one. All of you. No, please. It's all 3 of you. So he's gonna ask one question, and then you can maybe take turn.
Sure.
Okay. امیر هم یک سوال شما میکنیم هر کدوم از اینا که جواب داره.
معرفی هم بکنن خودشون.
Before you start, you tell your name and what are you doing and
And say what you're with the
Human Rights Commission.
Oh, great.
کدوم مؤسسه هست؟
And we have a program, a TV program here in Herat, and we want to have your interview. We want to use your interview on that program.
Okay.
Great.
خب اصلا نوع
از کدوم مؤسسه هست؟
مؤسسه خورم
World Transformation Center.
Okay. Dear ladies and gentlemen, if you please introduce yourself and tell us that what have been your motivation for build this school.
My name is Kathy Allerton Kraftchow, and I'm the founder of World Transformation Center. And the motivation for this was to, we were changed in our country by 9/11. The world changed us, and we wanted to change the world back. And we wanted to do it in a positive way. And when we heard of people who are going through pain and suffering, we wanted them to know that it wouldn't be for waste, that we would find some way that we could do something positive. So we wanted to build a school. And it is our very intention that the children that go to this school and the school that Ada went to, we worked with those children as well, that we have a dedication to that we expect some world leaders to come out of there and make a difference in the world in a positive way. And that was the motivation. It's just we wanted to give back to something that changed our world. We wanted to change the world for the positive.
I'm Steve Smith, Executive Director of World Transformation Center. I work with Kathy in creating the things that she just told you. My belief is that we have a mission to give back to the world in whatever way is needed most. And so, even though there are needs within our own country, we do believe at this particular time, Afghanistan needed what we had to offer. It's a small token of our appreciation for the relationship between the 2 countries, but we're just so happy that we're able to bring about a school here, and we will see what the future holds. Thank you.
Thank you for you. Thank you.
تلگرام کی ببینید.
بخورین ریشه.
تشکر.
شفتاری بخوره. شما خاط بودین.
ببینید که باید بخورید جنیده میشه.
شما چی وقت؟
دیگه نوبت میشین میرین که قیس با جنازه میرین دیگه. تشکر. تشکر. خوش چطوری میخوره؟ برین که جنازه باید برسین شما. نه باید بخورین نوبت شده دیگه. تشکر.
جاده معبد پشتش
خوب.
بیاین سکرتر دفترم واسه بریم بالا سیگار چیز باشه.
خیر.
ان شاء الله خوبه.
تشکر از شما بازاب شدن.
بازاب محمد.
شدن دست بخور مگر
Where are your 2 grandsons? Ball. Presentation. Yeah, and the other one.